first snowstorm of the season. Gonna go for a run. Let's see how this goes. Should be very quiet. Fresh tracks in the woods will be nice. I have some micro spikes in my running vest. Let's do this. It's a real joy to be out in the running in the winter storm like this. It's so quiet. All the snow dampens the sound, and really there's nobody else out. There wasn't really anyone on the roads except for plows, so not much noise from the regular Torrington hustle and bustle. It's just really nice right now. All that extra snow buildup. The micro spikes don't have anti-balling plate like traditional crampons, so you get these big snow boogers, and then yeah, it doesn't really work too well with traction, so they might have to come off. That's really funny. Done. About 5 miles, my normal loop. Back home. The last bit on the road, I just apparently I ate it. I fell on my ass. It was pretty funny. It didn't really hurt at all, but it was just funny. A lot of powdery snow under my butt, so it was okay. But yeah, I think my neighbor saw me fall. They probably found that comical, as did I. Great run. Nice to be out.